hit the word P, boom, we went into the second stage cycle now. So now we're on, you'll see we're now, the upper half of the two stages is highlighted, is darkened. So these are going to be the second stage parameters. So let me hit my cursor. Then the small t, the temperature increase for the second stage is 30, which it already is on 30. The large C, the high temperature, is 840. Oh, no, wrong one there. Let me get here. 840. So I'm going to change that to 840. The hold time is 7 minutes. Where's that here? 7 minutes. So these are all the parameters with little 2's behind them. And then the vacuum for the second stage, vacuum 2, we turn it on at 820 and then off at 840. So essentially vacuum stays on during this whole cycle. So V1 there, I'm going to put 820. Then I'm going to go over to V2, 840. Does that make sense?
You want to go to the lower numbers or no?
Those are Fahrenheit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It depends. If you were in Fahrenheit, you'd be putting in these low numbers,
okay.
yeah.
Right.
And then we're going to go over to L. L is long-term cooling, and that's 700. All that means is once you get all done with this firing cycle here, when it gets all done with this second hold of 7 minutes, this muffle is going to stay closed, because normally your muffle just opens up gradually right away, right? But this stays closed until the temperature gets down to 700, because during crystallization it has to slowly cool down. So that's what your L value is. And then TL is the rate. So how slow is it going to cool from 840 down to 700? The TL temperature, the rate there is 20 per minute. Not all furnaces can do this. Our older models can't, the old P200s and 100s. But this one can't. So now that's how you would change it. Does that sound?
It does.
Yeah. The key things to remember is, if you come over here to this cursor here, if you hit the plus or minus, that changes you from single stage program to a two stage.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and once you do that, and then when you're on that, this is all of the
first stage
parameters, and if I hit the P, that's all of the second stage parameters. So those are the two key things to remember.
And can I see the face of that book?
Yeah. We're going to get you into more. See, this says lab side.
Right.
Dentists generally have chair side version. The only difference is you probably want this if you're going to start doing cutback techniques, because this goes more in depth in the cutback technique.
I have that, I think.
Yeah, and it also has the MO, the medium opacity layering technique.
Maybe I don't.
Which, that's not in the chair side manual at all.
No, I must, because I had the MO manual.